Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair plummeted 1.2% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair rose 4.3% in the last session, after gaining as much as 5.5% during the session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.2%. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair gained 0.6% in the last session. The Williams indicator's positive signal contradicts our overall technical analysis.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Technology and financial stocks pulled Wall Street's main indexes lower for a third straight session, as investors worried that the Federal Reserve's aggressive approach to rein in inflation could trigger a recession. CEO and co-founder of major cryptocurrency exchange FTX, Sam Bankman-Fried, has revealed that the company has built an estimated $1 billion war chest to continue deploying capital in order to bail out distressed crypto firms and buy their assets. The Japanese yen strengthened after authorities intervened in the foreign exchange market to shore up the battered currency for the first time since 1998, although trading was choppy.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Baker Hughes US oil rig count will be released at 1700 hours GMT, the Dutch gross domestic product at 0430 GMT, Japan's CFTC JPY-NC net positions at 1930 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP-NC net positions will be released at 1930 GMT, Canada's retail sales at 1230 GMT, Singapore's Consumer Price Index at 0500 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.